On 13th January, senior leaders of the All India Congress Committee (Aicc) had visited Meghalaya for observation of various districts to determine the preparedness of the Congress party for the upcoming General Assembly elections. The team that includes senior observer of Meghalaya, Nagaland and Tripura, Mukul Wasnik, observers of Meghalaya, Benny Benan, who is also the MP from Kerala, the former MP J.D. Seelam, AICC member in charge of Meghalaya Manish Chatrat, AICC social media chairperson Supriya Shinate, social media coordinator Dr. Sumit Dubey is also in town to make a final selection of the candidates for the second list. Others present included the president of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Vincent H. Pala, besides members of the State Mahila Congress Committee, aspirant candidates, party workers, and supporters. Speaking to reporters, the Congress MP of the Rajya Sabha, Mukul Wasnik, confidently informed that the party is all set to make a comeback in 2023, especially with leaders of other political parties very soon coming to join the Congress.
Discuss with the Pradesh Congress Committee, our district presidents, our block presidents, and our probable candidates about the preparations which have been made for the assembly elections. In another few days, the dates for elections will be announced, and I am very happy to mention here that we as a political party are in full preparedness to face these elections. Already the PCC has been able to identify candidates for about 45 constituencies. Rather, they have made recommendations to the AICC. Remaining seats, shortly they will be finalizing their recommendations, and soon we will be announcing the candidates. In the next few days, it won't be surprising if certain important leaders will join the Congress party. Already discussions have taken place, and the manner in which preparations are being made, I am confident that we will be able to regain the confidence of the people. It is a fact that many of our colleagues who have held important positions have left the party in the recent past, but nonetheless, on the basis of our existing cadre, we are able to build the organization to face the elections effectively. If there the PCC has made certain suggestions as to who will be required for campaigning, and we will be arranging their dates so that whatever requirement for campaign is there, we will be able to arrange that in time. See, I think in the recent past, unfortunately, the party at the center, which is there in some other states as well, and in recent years, they have also started entering different northeastern states, and some of the states they are in government. Their type of politics has been, if they get majority in elections, well and good, they will form the government. If they don't get majority, they will try and buy MLAs from other parties. Not only buying MLAs, but threatening MLAs, and by all means they will try to get majority. This we have seen. We have seen in Arunachal Pradesh, one man in 5 months from 3 different parties was sworn in as the chief minister. Now this has not happened anywhere. I don't believe that it may have happened anywhere in the world. But because of the BJP, this has happened in Arunachal Pradesh. What happened in Manipur? What happened in Goa? What happened in Uttarakhand? What happened in Rajasthan? What happened in Madhya Pradesh? Everywhere. And solely, I think BJP has polluted Indian democracy like anything. And that is threat to our democracy. I think BJP has decided to field their candidates in Meghalaya. This will, certainly as a political party, it's their right. but I'm afraid to say that they are the biggest pollutant in Indian democracy.